Imagine effortlessly creating a successful YouTube channel without ever revealing your face. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's absolutely achievable, and I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's start by exploring some anonymous YouTube channels that are thriving in the travel niche. These channels specialize in captivating travel content, covering diverse destinations worldwide. This broad appeal taps into a universal curiosity. People from every corner of the globe are intrigued by travel, constantly searching for new places to explore. This generates a consistent, high demand for travel content. The key advantage? These travel channels benefit from steady viewership throughout the year. This stability is ideal for YouTube automation, relying more on search-driven traffic than on the unpredictable waves of viral trends. You won't need to chase after the latest fad or rush to produce content to stay relevant. Instead, your focus will be on crafting engaging, informative travel videos similar to the successful channels we'll examine. This approach not only simplifies content creation, but also sets the foundation for a sustainable, faceless YouTube channel. Prepare to be amazed by how accessible and straightforward this process is. You don't need a fortune to travel the world or be a seasoned travel filmmaker. In fact, if you're watching this video, you already possess the essential tools: an internet connection and a computer. In this guide, I'll walk you through two distinct methods to create captivating travel content. The first method is completely free, making it perfect for beginners. The only investment required is your time and effort. Now let's dive into the first method. You'll need to visit a website called Faceless, though Pixabay is a great alternative too. Both sites offer a wealth of resources, but here's a crucial tip. Ensure you switch your search from photos to videos. That's where the magic happens. You'll find an extensive collection of stunning travel videos, ready to be transformed into your unique content. To streamline our process, let's focus on a specific video topic. We'll choose Spain and create a video centered around fun facts about Spain. Start by searching for videos related to Spain on platforms like Faceless, and download the ones that catch your eye. The next step involves gathering content for your video. Instead of a conventional Google search, I recommend using ChatGPT to generate 10 interesting facts about Spain. This approach simplifies the research process significantly. With the facts you've gathered, you can then select and download specific clips from Faceless that best illustrate each point. Now, it's time to craft these facts into a compelling YouTube video script. For this demonstration, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a script of up to 500 characters. Here's an example of what such a script might look like. Remember, the style and format of the script can be tailored to your preference. Just instruct ChatGPT accordingly, and it can adapt the script to suit your desired tone and structure. Finally, we come to an essential element of our video: the voiceover. While using your own voice is an option, it's important to speak clearly and confidently, avoiding any fillers like or like. But let's face it, not everyone has professional audio equipment or a voice suited for narration. That's where voiceover software comes in as a fantastic alternative. I highly recommend two options: 11 Labs and Fleeky. For this tutorial, let's use 11 Labs. They offer a free plan which allows up to 10,000 characters, ideal for beginners. After logging in, you'll have the opportunity to choose from a variety of voices to find the one that best suits your video's tone.
Change in all things is sweet.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically
If you do what you've always done.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Generating the audio is straightforward, but keep in mind, you might need to adjust the settings a bit. Tinkering with the levels helps avoid any unnatural fluctuations in the voiceover, ensuring a smooth and professional sound. You can test different settings until you find the perfect match. They have different options as well for language choices, but I prefer to use version 2. When you are ready, copy your script from ChatGPT into the text box, then press Generate. One thing to note: if the audio sounds strange for some words, then you will need to update its settings on stability to a higher value. Here is what my audio sounds like.
Welcome to our journey through Spain's fascinating wonders. First up, Spain's the world's largest olive oil producer, fueling kitchens globally. Next, experience the wild La Tomatina, where tomatoes fly in a cheerful battle. Spanish isn't just spoken here, it began here. Forget the tooth fairy in Spain. A little mouse named Ratoncito Perez collects teeth. Marvel at diverse landscapes, from rainy Galicia to sunny Almeria. Embrace the siesta, a cherished tradition. Pilgrims trek the historic Camino de Santiago annually, explore UNESCO sites like Toledo, dine at Madrid's Sobrino de Botín, the world's oldest restaurant. Finally, recall Spain's rich imperial history, leaving a lasting global impact. Stay tuned for more incredible stories from Spain.
The final step is assembling your video. I prefer using CapCut for its user-friendly interface. Import all your files into the editor and synchronize them with your voiceover. You can easily add your videos by clicking the plus symbol or simply dragging them into the timeline. Adjust the duration of each video until it fits within your script audio. For specific scenes, you can reposition them to match the script. You can also add transitions in between each clips to add an enhanced viewing experience. Here is what my video looks like.
Welcome to our journey through Spain's fascinating wonders. First up, Spain's the world's largest olive oil producer, fueling kitchens globally. Next, experience the wild La Tomatina, where tomatoes fly in a cheerful battle. Spanish isn't just spoken here, it began here. Forget the tooth fairy in Spain. A little mouse named Ratoncito Perez
Once everything is perfectly aligned, you're ready to export your video. And there you have it, your very own faceless YouTube travel video, ready to captivate audiences. Now you might be thinking, this is so much work. I don't want to do this. Also, if I wanted to outsource this, it would cost a lot of money. Well, here is where method number 2 comes in. We will create a video using this special software. Here's how to access it. It's called InVideo. Simply click on my referral link in the description below to access the website. In case you notice any changes in the user interface, don't fret. Simply navigate to the AI Video Generation tab. Welcome to the InVideo AI platform. Here you'll find various workflows to select from. For our demonstration, let's choose the YouTube Explainer option. We'll create a brief 30-second video for this tutorial. First, you'll input the topic of your video, adding any necessary details to enrich the content. Then, you can select your preferred background music, voiceover settings, subtitles, and other additional elements. After confirming your choices, InVideo will use your prompts to automatically generate an AI-crafted video. The creation time might vary, usually a few minutes, depending on your video's length. Next, the platform will prompt you to specify your target audience and the desired ambiance for your video. Make your selections and watch as your video comes to life.
Spain, known for its flamenco dance and bullfights, holds more. The country owns the world's oldest restaurant, Botín, established in 1785. Also, it's home to the largest tomato fight, La Tomatina. Spain has more vineyards than any country but ranks third for wine production. Lastly, Spanish siestas, they're no myth. Many shops really do close in the afternoon. Fascinating, isn't it? More to explore, more to know. Spain, a country full of surprises.
In the editing phase, you have the freedom to replace any stock footage with your preferred clips. You can also modify other aspects like the music and voiceover by typing in the text input field. And there you have it, a fully automated video created in just a few minutes. Now you can export your video. One quick thing to note, if you want to get rid of the watermarks, then you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. Here you can see the different options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.